Hi, I'm Dr. Pete Clardy. I'm a pulmonary and critical care physician and clinical specialist at Google Health. Today, I'm excited to introduce Care Studio. Using Google's expertise in organizing complex information, Care Studio provides a unified view of patient records, making them more accessible and useful for clinicians. In Care Studio, you can browse and search through patient information. Let me show you what it can do. The chart you're going to see uses synthetic data, meaning it's not real patient data. When you view a patient record in Care Studio, you've got all the information together in one place, even if it comes from different EHRs within your health system. Finding a patient is easy. And once inside the chart, the Encounter section shows key information about the current admission, including a useful summary that Care Studio extracts from the notes. The Overview tab shows a rundown of the whole chart. But let's take a deeper dive into each section. In Vitals and Labs, results from different EHRs are shown together, plotted on the same graph, because Care Studio harmonizes information from multiple sources. The same goes for medications, whether given as an inpatient or an outpatient, as well as reports and orders. Notes are the backbone of the patient story, but it can be hard to follow that story when redundant information overloads medical notes. Care Studio understands what's new and makes it easier to find what's important. It also generates an outline of each note so you can jump to the section most important to you. But bringing everything together is just the start. Care Studio is also a search engine optimized for healthcare. Clinicians can simply type what they're looking for into the search bar to have it pull up medically relevant information instantly. You can enter almost anything into the search bar, from clinical shorthand to everyday language. A search for diabetes pulls up glucose, ketones, and hemoglobin A1C, as well as notes which reference clinically related concepts. Type any combination of labs and vitals to efficiently compare values, or search for information in a specific part of the chart. When building tools for clinicians, we know that healthcare data is sensitive and personal, and it's our responsibility to keep it private and secure. That's why Care Studio is designed to protect patient information. Our products adhere to industry best practices and regulations, including HIPAA, and we don't own, nor do we ever sell, patient data. We're excited about the opportunity to support more proactive care for clinicians and their patients.